All right, people, how's everybody doing? Let me know if you can hear me and see me well. Okay, I think I was like kind of. All right, people. Yeah, I think I was lagging or something like that. I don't know. How's everybody doing? Let me know where you're saying hi from. I'm actually looking at all the comments right now. I'm going to try to answer as many as possible, but let's see if it's possible though. There is a delay for some reason. I don't know. Let me see if I can fix it. Let me know where you're saying hi from. I want to know where are you located. Uh, Let me know if there's still a delay on the sound. All right, let me take a look at the comments real quick. Yeah, it's lagging. I don't know what's going on. Let me know if it got fixed. In the meantime, let me say hi to all of you from Zambia, Sri Lanka, Brazil, India, Turkey, Saudi Arabia. Yeah, it's fixed right now. So that's actually awesome. Welcome everybody to this video. Let me go ahead and turn on the light real quick because I want to make sure that you actually have the best image quality. Okay, that's what's up. So yeah, let me know where you're saying hi from. Yeah, it's everything good. Wow, we have 5 dislikes. That's awesome. Morocco. What time did BLW signal start UK time? I don't know UK time, but it starts at 14 GMT. Forex. No, actually it starts at 8 a.m. GMT with Forex with Jawad. Sri Lanka. So what we're gonna be doing today, so that you guys know exactly what this transmission's for. What we're gonna be doing is that I'm gonna be showing you the results of the week with the BLW signals group in general. And then I'm going to be showing you my personal results following sit hand in the Forex signals. By the way, for the ones joining and not knowing what the likes are for, I just want to remind you that there is a fake Instagram account that basically pays on a monthly basis to receive the signals, copy them, and then share them on Instagram. So that's probably those people, you know. Pretty sad. I'm over it already, but you know, just so you guys know. Malaysia, UK, United Arab Emirates, Philippines, Mauritius. Awesome. So thank you very much for being here in this live streaming. And without further ado, we should just go ahead and start with the information. What I'm going to do right now. And hi, if you're just joining in this live streaming, make sure you smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. As usual, we're really close right now. We're 39,100 subscribers. Most likely this or the following week, we're gonna be at 40,000 subscribers. So that's gonna be amazing. And I want to thank you for being part of it as usual. And I want to thank you as well for being part even on Sunday of these trainings, because they're super, super, super important. So let's go ahead and begin with the training. Let me just go ahead and move my camera a little bit. There you go. Awesome. We're going to start by looking at these signals. And now I actually asked for a different type of report to my team so that we could actually get the results overall combined and of course separated as usual. So what I did is that I requested it like this. So we're gonna start with the 5-minute room, and we're looking at Harry with 47 in the money and 8 out of the money, 85.5% in the money. In fact, I have a video that is gonna be posted tomorrow in regards to the 5-minute signals room. And it's I don't know, the video is actually super good. I actually got, and sorry, get distracted with some questions. Okay, we're gonna have some Q&A at the end of the training and at the end of this information. All right, no worries. So save your questions for the end, and I'm gonna answer those questions. This streaming is gonna be like half hour, and it is going to be available after we're done. It's gonna be available on YouTube. Okay. So good. Let's go ahead and continue. So basically, Harry with 47 in the money and 8 out of the money. Then we have Lester with 34 in the money and 7 out of the money. That's 82.9% in the money. Then we have Marcel with 23 in the money, and 6 out of the money. That's 79.3% in the money. Overall, we're looking at 104 signals in the money and 21 out of the money. That's 83.2% in the money. Perfect, right? Let me just go ahead and move this. Let me see. Because I want to be answering the questions here. There you go. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna, by the way, in this training as well, I'm actually going to show you as well how to follow the signals in Forex. So yeah, I'm good. I'm happy that you guys have these questions. Okay, so continue. Binary signals. With binary signals, we have an amazing week with Deep. In fact, to Deep, I actually gave him $100 extra because of the amazing week he had. 14 in the money, 0 out of the money. So whoever followed Dip made a lot of money during this week, okay? Then we have Sidhan with 10 in the money, 2 out of the money. That's 83.3% in the money. Then we have Lester with 12 in the money, 5 out of the money. That's 70.6% in the money. Then Prezad with 14 in the money, 6 out of the money. That's 70% in the money. Then we have Anupama with 7 in the money and 4 out of the money, 63.6% in the money. Not the best week for Anupama, but we know how good she is all the time. Plus, she provides also with Forex signals. So that's a total of 57 in the money and 17 out of the money. Overall, in the binary options room, that's 77% in the money. We're in profit. Cool? Now we jump into Forex. With Forex in numbers, this is in average and percentage. Then I'm going to show you the pips. And average, we have Anupama with 10-1 trades, 100%. Then we have Sidhan with 6-1, 100%. Then we have Deep with 2 in the money, 100%. And then we have Malik Jawad with 16 in the money and 2 out of the money, 88.9% in the money. Malik is the only one who provides only Forex signals at the moment. The in the money performance on Forex, which is not the biggest deal, but we need to share it, is 34 in the money, 2 out of the money. That's 94.4% in the money. What is in the money? In money means that it is profitable. The week was actually profitable. That's what it stands for. So overall, if we select the entire rooms, this is what we have. 194 in the monies and 40 out of the monies. We have a team right now of a total of 8 people nowadays. If you recall, we used to have even 4 people at certain points during the month in signal providers. We're growing. Now we're 8 people providing with signals. And we provided a total of 235 signals during this week only, just this week, right? Do you think it's actually fair 235 signals are fair for the price or for the time that you guys invest in this specific group? I don't think so. And I mean, we could all disagree that the fact that you could trade on your own or follow signals, but remember that the signals are just given so that you can actually make it easier. Does that make sense? But let's go ahead and take a look at the Forex summary. In the Forex summary, we have Malik with 1,284 pips. He lost 200 pips. I'm going to explain what's the win and lost pips in this specific video as well, because I know there's a lot of confusion. Then we have Anupama with 987 won pips and 70 lost pips. That's 917 pips in total. Then we have Sidhan with 500 pips, no loss. Then we have Deep with 240 pips, no losses as well. And here's where I want to show you how is it that we count the win and lost pips, and how is it that we count the in or out of the money. And for this, I'm actually over here on the Forex group. The signals. If you notice, here's a signal from Sidhan, and he says FX, which means Forex, USD CHF, buy. You guys see it, right? Because I don't want to be covering with my camera. Buy SR is 0.98.80. Take profit 1. This is the first profit that you can take as fast as you can. Okay, so the way we actually count the pips won is based on the take profit that it touches, or at the moment that they actually tell you to close it. So let's say, for example, that it touches take profit 1, that is an in the money signal, but it's up to you what take profit you want to take. Take profit 2 is 50 pips, and then we look at take profit 3, that's 120 pips, 170 pips actually. So it's really up to you. It's really up to you. And then we have the stop loss that it's at around, let me see, it's 20 pips below as well. So if the stop loss is touched before the take profit is touched, that's an out of the money. If it is touched, but then it retracts and goes to the stop loss, you already touched the take profit. So that's an in the money signal. That's here is where you actually have to become a trader more than you can become a follower. We provide you with the predictions, but it's really up to you. The settings that you're gonna be using, the take profit, the stop loss, and everything. So this is exactly what I do, and I'm about to show you my results. I usually go and look at the take profit 1, which is usually 20 pips, the way Sidhan does it, and also on Pama. And I usually go in the middle between take profit 1 and take profit 2, because I want to make some more profit than 20 pips. Let's say 30 or 40 pips. Does that make sense? So what I do is that I actually go into the middle so that I can make some more profit, but also don't risk it that much. There are some signals where take profit 2 and take profit 3 are touched, but we're focused on the take profit 1. Even if you only go with take profit 1, you're going to make profits during the week by following the Forex signals. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. Also looking at the comments real quick. And thank you very much for joining in this live streaming. If you're enjoying this content, make sure you smash the like button. And right now, what I'm about to show you are my results. These are my results of the trades of the month, basically. But this is where I started to follow Sidhan on the 4th. On the 4th, I started follow Sidhan and Anupama. With Anupama, I followed like 2 trades, and then with Sidhan, I followed the rest of them. So if we take a look at it, we have $21 here. Let's take a look at the pips if you want to. 48.3 pips, 45.2 pips, 13.5 pips. I actually closed this trade before I hit the 20 pips. 13.8, same here. 19, same here. 9 here, same here. 15.3, 1 pip, 18.7 pips. Why is it that I closed in? Because I like the profit that I'm actually looking at. And this one was actually my mistake. You know, I entered for a sell and it was supposed to be a buy option. So yeah, my bad. Now, let's take a look at the profit. $24.96, $44.71, $13.58, $6.74, $9.31, $4.29, $16.11, 38 cents, and $18.72. The total profits ever since the 4th, which is 10 days ago, and not following all of the signals. I follow like 2 or 3 at the most. Let's take a look at the dates. On the 10th, I followed 3 signals. On the 11th, I follow 5 signals. One of them was a mistake, so let's say 4. One on the 5th and one on the 4th. And $136 in profit. My account right now is bouncing around $402. Now, this is something I want to explain you. I want to make it clear. With Forex, unlike with binary options, the SR is not 100% a must so that you can enter the trade. What I mean by this is, for example, if the admin says right now, hey, you should enter for a buy option right here. You notice it's in 4494 and the pair right now is in 4505. You can enter for 5 pips above the level. Does that make sense? And why is that? Because with Forex, even if it expires 1 or 2 pips above DSR, it's not gonna lose you 100%. Like with binary options, if you actually enter the trade 1 pip below or above the level, that pip can make a difference between you making profit or losing 100% of the trade. Does that make sense? And right now, I'm going to open a few minutes for a Q&A. So if you have questions in regards to this, make sure you put the questions right now. How much you use for this trading? I usually go for like $50 to $20 because that's 5% of my balance. And the cool thing about this broker, IC Markets, is that you can actually choose the lot size, but you can automatically look at the margin required AUD. This is the amount that you're actually placing per trade. So for example, 0.08 micro lots is actually $15. If I go with 9, that's $16.91. If I go with 0.15, that's $28, and so on. So it's really up to first the currency that you're using, and with this broker specifically, you have that advantage. I'm not sure if all the brokers on MT4 have it. What do you mean by PIP? PIP is this price right here. I think you need to go to blwtradingacademy.com and take my training. Go to blwonlinetrading.com and then you can take all my academies and understand what PIP is, because this is a very beginner question. Okay. I am a PIP. JC is probably one of the, I don't know. I don't know what you mean. Will you be uploading more strategies on Forex anytime soon? Probably, yeah. Probably, yeah. I don't have anything planned though, but yeah. The Turbo Signal Alert in 2020. It is available for free in the BLW Trading Academy. Any binary options live stream? Hopefully this week I can do a live stream. Most likely with the 5-minute room, because you get more signals. How to use signal for very right time? I'm not sure what you mean with the question. Maybe you can rephrase it. Will you be doing a tutorial on IC market for trading Forex anytime soon? Yeah, I can do a tutorial. Yeah. Sandeep, I learned a lot from your academy. Thank you. Thank you very much for the feedback. I'm glad you liked it. Hey, if you're enjoying this streaming, make sure you smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. As usual, we have some haters in the room. It's completely understandable. Any news for the 40K subscribers? I don't know what you mean. I'm sorry. Is it possible to teach us how to use oscillator or fractal or some other indicators for further increase our chances of winning the 2-minute strategy? With the ones that I've been giving you, with the instructions that I've been giving you, you should be above 90%. So I don't find it necessary. Tell the admins to do more webinars. We do one weekly webinar, so one weekly is enough. Should I get exempt for $30 non-deposit bonus and trade with it? Yes, definitely, definitely. Binbot Pro live stream. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing one this week. I'm not 100% sure what day will be, but yeah, I'm gonna do one this week. It's gonna be a 14 GMT though, not the video at 2 GMT. It's gonna be a 14 GMT. I'm late. Will this live streaming be available in replay? Yes, it will be available in replay. No worries. What's the accuracy of the 2-minute strategy app? If you use it right, avoiding 3-ball news, we're talking about 70 to 80% in the money. Are you still working on the new software? Not sure what software, but you're talking about the new application, yeah, I'm actually working on it now that I've figured all the issues in regards to the BLW Signals group. BLW is outstanding. Thank you. What about the fees for Forex signals, or is it 2 months subscription? What do you mean? You mean the price of the BLW Signals group? You can go to blwtradingroom.com and check them out. Why do you not provide signals in the BLW Signals group? I don't have time to do it anymore. I dedicated my time to actually build a team that help everybody. How to use the right signal with the right time? I don't know. Again, you're asking a very general question, which doesn't really explain what you need to know. Thank you. Thank you. Following BLW trading room for 2 weeks, I start with 100 and now my account is 145. Awesome, man. Good job. You could be doing better though, but that's actually awesome. So I'm glad. I've watched a lot of traders videos, but Chris has become my online mentor. Thank you. If IQ Option realize they're losing money because of the 2-minute strategy, can they program the platform to work against you? It's a possibility that all brokers have. How much money? You should watch my video that I made in regards to $10 to $1 million using the 2-minute strategy. I actually explained that in that video. How much money should I trade? Should you trade me about binary options? I don't know what you mean, but go to blwtradingacademy.com or go to blwonlinetrading.com and find all my trainings in there. Best time for Forex. God bless you. Thank you. Best time for Forex. Anytime is good as long as you follow the signals the way it is. Okay, yeah. I'm going to jump into show a Forex strategy very soon. Yeah, because I know there's a bunch of people like providing with the best strategy, and they provide 10 best strategy every day. Like, what they want to get is just views, basically, and I want to explain that. And this is why a lot of YouTubers hate me, and that's the reason why I get so many dislikes, for example, over here, because I tell the truth. And the fact that you actually create 20 videos that says the best Forex strategy in the world in 2020, and you look at the 20 videos and the 20 of them are different strategies, that means that you're just getting views from YouTube. That's what you want. You want to get views to sell your products or whatever. But I focus on 2 strategies and that's it. The 2-minute strategy and the support and resistance strategy. The 1-minute strategy is the best 1-minute strategy. I don't have 20 1-minute best strategies in the world. It's just one. So basically what people does is that they put clickbait names like the best thing in the world or whatever so that they can get views, but I don't do that. So I'm going to create one strategy for Forex, share it, and that's it. If it works, that's the one that I'm going to share, and that's all. Is the Facebook group still active? Yeah, it's still active. Let me see. Sit here in session this way, I get some confusion because he says Euro USD, then also said take 2 trades, call in the same pair. It's usually fencing. You should take my academy. I actually talk about fencing in there. Got human error sometimes in the BLW signals room. Pair mistakes spell. Yeah, I mean, nobody's perfect. Love you from India. Thank you. How many hours a day do I have to spend studying trading in order to be profitable? That depends on how much money you want to make. If you want to make $100, you only need to spend 1 or 2 hours. If you want to be rich, you have to spend 24 hours a day learning. Why are you not trading an all-in trade broker? Because I already have the brokers that I like. I recommend all-in trade, but I like pocket option, so I'm not going to switch. If I miss the signal with some time delay, then the results may differ. It depends on if you enter at the right SR. That's definitely. They hate you because you're honest, and they hate that. I know. They want to sell something fishy behind the scenes. Hi, Chris. The 2-minute strategy must the blue line touch the yellow line or cross it? It should cross it or touch it. I don't have time right now to explain this entire, but I'm going to have a webinar. In fact, I do have a webinar, but I don't know if I explained that specifically, but I'm going to have a webinar this week about it, all right? Hi, Chris. Oh, okay, that's the same one. I'm sorry. Thanks for all the motivation. You're welcome. Thank you. Sir, you're always telling the truth. That is why I like you. Thank you. Where you live? I live in Central America. Is Cryptobull legit? Yeah, I'm still using it. I don't know if I'm going to continue, though, because the time is so limited. But this question is unrelated to the topic. Thanks for answering. You're welcome. All right, so that's pretty much it for today, people. Thank you very much for all the likes and all your attention and everything. Thank you very much for being here. And again, a warm invitation as usual to my BLW trading room. I'm actually really excited due to the fact that there's so many people joining this room, not only because of the signals, but all because of the education, because of the community, because of the live chat, because of the chat support. You guys are just loving it, and I love that you guys are loving it as well. I'm always working on getting something good. In fact, today I actually got the initial project offering in regards to the application, which is going to go in iOS and Play Store. And I'm sorry this is actually delayed, because this is something I planned from December, but so many issues with the previous signals websites, which was complicated. If I don't get to actually answer your questions right here, I do apologize. Put it in the comment section. Even if you're watching this on the replay, I take a look at all the questions, and most likely I'm going to make a video to answer these questions as usual. So thank you very much for being in this specific live streaming, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to actually give the like on this video. Make sure you are subscribed, and go to blwonlinetrading.com as well. Remember, blwonlinetrading.com, the new official website where you can get free trainings and everything combined in regards to the BLW signals group. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.